Mommy?
I don't know. M?
No.
Well, what comes after S?
T.
Oh, sorry.
T. T. U. Look at you.
V?
W. Look at W.
I don't know. What comes after W, Colton? Is it T?
No.
Oh, sorry. What comes after W?
Y.
What about X?
Oh, no.
X, Y?
Yes.
X, Y, and?
X, Y, look at Y.
What comes after Y? B?
No.
C?
No.
What comes after Y?
C.
Oh, Z. Okay, can we sing it? Ready? A, B, how's it go?
No.
Sing it for Mommy.
A. Look at A.
What comes after A?
B.
Okay, sing it. Sing it.
A, B, look at B.
Sing the song so I can hear you.
No, look at the B.
I don't know. M?
No, not M. C.
C? Oh, okay, my bad. A, B,
C.
C, D,
No,
E.
no, no. A, B, C, look at a C.
What comes after C?
D.
D? D?
Yes.
Okay, then what? E?
Yes.
Then what?
A, B, C, D, E, F, E, F, A, B, C, D, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, look at E.
What comes after E? F?
No.
F? Don't come after E. A, B, C, D, E, F. What comes after F?
G.
G. Then what?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, look at G.
H?
Oh, H. H, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Look at J.
What comes after J? K?
No,
H, I, J, K?
no. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. K. K.